haba. Look, how long is that?
It's a monster.
It's a monster. Parang laka. Ganyan po siya kahaba. Hi! Welcome to our channel. So today's video guys, ay maghunting po kami ni David ng sea cucumber, honey. Do you know what is sea cucumber?
Yeah.
So guys, nandito po tayo in the middle of the sea. Dito po talaga ang pagkaalam ko na area na marami pong sea cucumber. Nagdala po kami ng malaking banyera dahil ako po ang magdadive. Si David naman po ang maghawak nito dahil David is not really a good diver, aren't you, honey?
Not really.
So you have to hold this one for me.
Okay.
And I will dive. I will look for the sea cucumber.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's go, honey. Get it, honey!
Really? Yeah.
Wow, look at that! A giant sea cucumber, honey!
Yeah, it's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Sobrang laki po na sea cucumber. For the first time po talaga ako nakapag-encounter na ganito po kalaki ang sea cucumber. Sa tagal ko na po dito sa Siargao Island, ngayon lang po ako to nakahawak na ganito ng higanting sea cucumber. Tingnan nyo po yung height. Parang pa-hips ko na po. My goodness, nakakatakot na po siya dahil parang ahas na po. Normally po, yung mga size na sea cucumber na kinukuha namin, like yung sa survival video ko po na marami po ako nakita na sea cucumber, ganun lang po yung size niya. Ito po, naku, grabe, sobrang haba. Actually guys, hindi ko po alam kung anong variety ito na sea cucumber dahil first time ko pa talaga ito nakita. Hold that one, honey. I will keep diving.
Okay.
Look, ibang variety po ata to na sea cucumber.
Another one.
It's like a tiger. Yung kulay niya, ayun, umiihi po siya. Grabe, ang lalaki po talaga nila. Ito, tingnan nyo, ibang klase ata na variety yan. Tsaka ito, magkaiba yung kulay. Ito parang hindi pahaba. Ito hindi to siya pahaba, pataba to siya. Grabe, ang amazing po ng mga size na sea cucumber na nakita po natin. Hold one, honey, hold it. Let's try.
I don't want to.
It's too scared. My God, natakot yung asawa ko hahawakan. Why are you too scared?
I don't know, it's scary.
Huh?
It's scary.
No, they're very gentle. Wala silang ngipin. Wala, grabe ang bigat. Dalawa na po yung nakuha natin. Ayan. For sure po, marami po ditong sea cucumber na grabe po talaga. Nakaka-amazing po yung mga size nila. Sobrang lalaki. Tara, continue po tayo. Lato. So many lato there. But malalaki to na mata. Hindi po talaga ito ang the best lato. Yung the best lato na doon sa may bahay namin ay maliliit yung mata. Yun ang mas masarap. Wow! Look, honey. I think,
Another one.
yeah, this is similar to other one.
Yeah.
Come here. Tingnan nyo yung ano, ito oh. Ito yung ano nila, parang kamay nila kumbaga. Nagko-crawling sila. Watch out, honey.
Yeah.
Because there's 3 of them there.
Really?
Yeah, look. Nakatatlo na po tayo. Ang dami na po nila tingnan. Ito ang napaka-cute oh. Pataba siya. Ito naman, pahaba. Pili lang po kayo, pahaba, pataas. Hold this one.
Yeah.
Okay, Tara. 3 more.
Yeah.
Wow! Nakakuha na naman po tayo ng mataas na sea cucumber. Mahaba na sea cucumber. My goodness, Mayo. Mga higanti ba ito na? Drive. Tingnan niyo yung kulay, oh. Wow. Grabe, ang haba. Look, how long is that?
It's a monster.
It's a monster. Parang, laka. Ganyan po siya kahaba.
Like a giant seaweed.
Yeah, there we go. Nakakuha na po tayo ng apat na mga higanting sea cucumber. Meron pang dalawa doon. Just hold this one, honey.
Yeah.
Makapuno ata tayo dito ngayon ng isang banyera. Look, honey. Got 4 of them.
Really? What?
Oops. Oh, nako. Sumusuka na siya. Look, honey.
Yeah.
Vomiting.
Really?
Ha? Dami nila. Nasa isang bato lang sila. Yan. Ganyan na po karami yung nakuha natin. Sobrang lalaki po. So, honey, we used to eat this when I was young.
Really?
My dad, he collects so many all the time. He's always catching of this. At favorite na favorite po ito ng tatay ko. Actually, nilalagyan po namin ng miswa. Niluluto po to siya. Pero, yung niluluto po kasi namin, yung ano, maliit. Hindi po ganito kalaki. Ito parang, grabe, higanti po talaga siya. Hindi ko po ito nakikita yung tatay ko nangunguha. Kasi, yung maliliit po talaga yung ganito lang. Ang more common po na kinukuha namin dito sa Siargao. Ito po is very rare to see a very giant sea cucumber. So, imagine pag oldie po kayo dito nangunguha. In 1 hour, mapupuno po ang isang banyera natin. Napakadali lang po mapuno kasi ang lalaki po talaga nila. So, ang mga variety na ito ay nagtatago lang po sila sa mga bato. Ayan. Yeah, one more, honey.
You got another one?
There's so many here.
Yeah.
Ayan. Sobrang bigat na tong banyera namin. Got 3. In the group pala sila.
Great roll. So many here.
So many. It's unbelievable kung gaano po sila karami dito. As in, everywhere. Kahit saan ka magpunta, makikita mo sila kasi nasa grupo po sila. At sa sobrang laki po nila, madali lang po sila ma-spot. Kasi tingnan nyo naman po yung haba, parang ganito. Parang makikita mo din, nag-crawling sila slowly. Although, yung kulay nila kasing kulay sa bato, pero madali lang po talaga ma-spot dahil sa sobrang laki po ng mga size. Yan. Ha?
Look.
Ah! Oh my God! What is that? That must be from inside of ano? Sea cucumber!
It's a fish, is it?
Natakot si David sa sea cucumber. Mas natakot siya ito. Napakaliit. Parang ahas po siya. Kinain ata ito ng sea cucumber. Ala! Yung eyes niya parang nakakatakot. Parang... Ah! Honey.
Wow.
Dami. Okay. I think sobra-sobra na po to, guys. Maghanap pa talaga tayo dito for more longer. Baka mapuno na po ito at sobra-sobra na po dahil marami pa po talaga kaming na-spot na mga higanting sea cucumber. So maybe let's go home now. Kasi yeah, this is so much already. There's so many.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hold this one. Hi. Mommy's back. Look, look. Mommy caught this one. Look at that. Yeah. What is this? This is a sea cucumber. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Two hands. Yeah, can you hold two hands? Like that? Are you strong? Pick it up. I know, it's wing. Wow. Mommy caught so many, Sylvester.
That's very long. No, no, no.
That's very long. Okay, put it here. Yeah. Okay, put in the box. Yeah, dahil magluluto po tayo ngayon. I'm gonna cook some of this, Sylvester. Would you like to eat? Huh?
They poisonous.
Are they poisonous?
Yeah.
They're not poisonous. They're edible. That's why I'm catching them.
I don't like the kids.
Okay, we put this one. This is yours. There we go. This is yours. Yeah. So, maybe ito ang lulutuin natin. Yan. Magluluto po ako nito. You want more? Look, Sylvester, how sticky they are. Look. Napaka-sticky pala itong ano nila. Honey, this is very sticky.
Yeah. Tentacles.
Well, look at this.
Sylvester's not scared than David. Honey,
It's not scary.
hold this one, honey. Sylvester, just hold it. You're not scared?
No.
You're brave, aren't you?
No.
Your dad's not brave. There we go. So, ito po yung lulutuin natin. Pakuluan lang po natin ito. Tapos, pag maluto na po siya, hihiwain po natin at gigisahin na naman po. Tara! Ayan guys, papakuluan lang po natin yan. Oh, ito na po yung sea cucumber po guys. Naluto na. At hiniwa ko na po. Ganyan po siya. Ganyan po siya karami sa isang sea cucumber. Actually guys, kailangan ko po talaga ipamigay ang sea cucumber na nahuli natin sa pamilya ko. Uuwi po kami sa lungsod maya-maya para makain po siya dahil sobrang dami po talaga. So anyway, lulutuin na po natin. We are going to cook the sea cucumber. There we go.
Cucumber.
Are you excited, Sylvester?
No, it's not a sea.
It is sea cucumber. Ah,
Yeah,
it's
sea
a bit windy.
cucumber.
There we go, Sylvester.
We have enough oil.
Yeah, we have to add oil.
This one.
This one, look. We add oil. That's it.
What? That's Mommy, wait.
Yeah, and we fried the garlic, ginger, capsicum. Okay, go. Yay. That's it.
I don't eat ginger.
That's okay. Capsicum. Ginger, it's nice. Oops.
I don't eat ginger, Mommy.
Why?
I don't like to eat ginger. It's soda water.
Have you?
Mommy, yes, Mommy, it's soda water. We're cooking. No, we're cooking.